こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar number 72 and we're going to learn something very interesting. 多い means a lot of, and this is E adjective, E 形容詞. As this is an E adjective, you can conjugate. For example, 多い、多くない。多かった、多くなかった。There's other word, たくさん meaning the same, a lot of.But たくさん this is adverb 副詞 Let's see two sentences the meaning the same but the grammatically different form but using in the both case はが There are lots of mountains in Japan 多い is E adjective So 山が多い it means there are lots of mountains 日本は山が多いですたくさん is an adverb, so we need to use verb. 山がたくさんあります。There are lots of mountains. 日本は山がたくさんあります。The meaning of two sentences is the same, only the grammatical structure is different. 多い is adjective, so we need noun, only nouns. We don't need verbs. But たくさん is adverb. We need verb. Let's see more examples. There are lots of people in Asakusa. Asakusa, this is a city's name inside of Tokyo. In both sentences, I'm going to use this structure. はが This structure I already explained you in my previous video, number 71 of grammar.If you don't remember, you can watch it. 浅草は人が多いです。人。浅草は人が多いです。浅草は人がたくさんいます。浅草は人がたくさんいます。There are lots of famous temples in Kyoto. Vocabulary at first. Kyoto, Asian city in Japan. Very beautiful city. 京都。有名 This is not adjective. Famous, but not adjective. And this one, 寺 This kanji, it means temple. We can say 寺 or adding お寺 for respect. お寺。京都は有名な寺 or 有名なお寺が多いです。京都は有名なお寺が多いです。京都は有名なお寺がたくさんあります。京都は有名なお寺がたくさんあります。Next example using 多い and たくさん。The sentence is like this. This winter we had lots of snow. Vocabulary with this kanji, 今年。今年。今年 it means this year. This year. I wanna say this winter. Well, winter is this one. 冬。冬。To say that this winter, we must say 今年の冬。今年の冬。Snow is 雪 with this kanji. 雪。This kanji is quite similar to 雨 the rain. This part, upper part is rain. But we must add this yo from katakana. And then this is yuki, yuki, snow. This kanji we can read in two ways and a different meaning. When we say with o, 降ります. 降ります. It means to get off. For example, I get off the bus. バスを降ります。transitive verb. 降ります being transitive verb, we need を the particle を。バスを降ります。タクシーを降ります。電車を降ります。But when we pronounce 降ります it means fall down from the sky. In this case, this is intransitive verb, so we need the particle が。Example, 雨が降ります。It rains. 雪が降ります。 it snows. Then this winter, there were lots of snow. Oh, we had lots of snow this winter. 今年の冬は雪が多かったです。今年の冬は雪が多かったです。今年の冬は雪がたくさん降りました。今年の冬は雪がたくさん降りました。Next example. There are lots of trees in this park. I'm gonna show you an expression. 緑。緑. Do you know what it is? 緑 is the color. Green color. Green. 緑。緑が多いです。緑が多い。This means there are lots of greens. What is it? 緑が多いです。It means there are lots of trees. この公園は緑が多いです。この公園は緑が多いです。この公園は木がたくさんあります。この公園は木がたくさんあります。Now let's see the other adjective, just the contrary or the opposite of this meaning. 多い。多い was lots of. Then this adjective 少ない。少ない few or fewer. This is e adjective, so we can conjugate like 少ない。少なくない。少なかった。少なくなかった。Now look at these words. 少し。ちょっと。It means a little bit, a moment. But this is adverbs. Look at these kanjis. 少ない this one. And also 少し the same kanji. Here 少ない here 少し But the difference 少ない this is adjective. Few 少しちょっと a little bit. Adverb. Let's see the example. There are just few cars on Sundays. This time I'm gonna use this structure. はが vocabulary Sunday Sundays 日曜日日曜日 and 自動車 automobile and the car 車日曜日は車が少ないです。日曜日は車が少ないです。Now I'm gonna try the same sentence but using 少し instead of 少ない。日曜日は車が少ししかありません。少ししかありません。日曜日は車が少ししかありません。But the same meaning I can say the different way using あまり。There are not so many cars. 日曜日は車があまりありません。日曜日は車があまりありません。Let's see more example. Lately, there are just few children. 最近 this word 最近 lately 子供 children 最近は子供が少ないです。最近は子供が少ないです。最近は子供が少ししかいません。最近は子供が少ししかいません。最近は子供があまりいません。最近は子供があまりいません。If you don't remember how to use this しかありません、しかいません、you can watch my video about numbers, number 12 of the number videos. If you had any problems about this usage of あまり and negative, you can watch my grammar video number 39 till I explained the difference between 多い and たくさん, and we made the same sentence, the same meaning of sentence using the different 多い and たくさん different words. and also 少ない and 少し. Now I'm going to show you when we cannot use たくさん and 少し, but only we can use 多い and 少ない. This is the case of comparative sentences. If you cannot remember well about comparative, you can watch my video, adjective video number 14. There I explain you about the comparative. Anyway, I'm gonna show you these links in the description below, so you can just click them and you can watch these videos. We make the comparative sentence like this. Noun は and different noun より adjective. This sentence. There are more trains in Tokyo than in Sapporo. And I still use this one. は、が this grammar. 東京は札幌より電車が多いです。東京は札幌より電車が多いです。Now just the contrary. There are less trains in Sapporo than in Tokyo. 札幌は東京より電車が少ないです。札幌は東京より電車が少ないです。The next example. Today, more customers came than usual. Vocabulary. Today, 今日 with this kanji. I think you know by now these kanjis. 今 now, and 日 day. 今日昨日 yesterday. 明日 tomorrow. But now this sentence we are going to use 今日いつも usual. When I say いつもより more than usual. いつも this usual. Or いつもより comparing with the other occasions. Then いつもよりお客様 it can be guest or client. And we can say お客様 or お客さん or 客. This is client or the guests or visitors. 多い more quantity. This is in the case of comparative. 多い more numbers, numerous, more quantity. 今日はいつもよりお客様が多かったです。今日はいつもよりお客様が多かったです。Now, just the contrary, opposite. Today, less customers came than usual. 今日はいつもよりお客様が少なかったです。今日はいつもよりお客様が少なかったです。Today's lesson was a little bit difficult or confusing, but anyway, try quiz. This time 5 questions and they are all translations into Japanese. 1番目 There were lots of people in Tokyo Station. There were lots of people in Tokyo Station. But I want you to make 2 sentences. One using 多い but the other using たくさん。2番目 I don't have many friends. Or I have only a few friends. Well, this time I want you to make also 2 sentences. One using 少ない and the other one using 少し or 少ししか you know so I have only few friends 3番目 There are many restaurants in this street. There are a lot of restaurants in this street. This time also I want you to make two sentences. One using 多い as adjective, and the other sentence using たくさん. たくさん is adverb. Okay? 4番目. And this one is only one sentence because this is gonna be the comparative sentence. There are more temples in Kyoto than in Osaka. There are more temples in Kyoto than in Osaka. 5番目. The last one, 最後です. Now using this one, 少ない. Okay? This year, there were less Christmas presents than last year. There were less Christmas presents this year than last year. I hope you can understand very well the difference between 多い and たくさん. 少し and 少ない. Maybe this quiz was a little bit difficult. And if you had any problems, you know that I always write the answers in the description below. If this video was useful for you and you could learn something new, please give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. いかがでしたか？今日は多いと少ないという形容詞を勉強しました。多いはたくさんという言葉とちょっと間違いやすいので気をつけましょう。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語を少しずつレベルアップしていきます。ですからぜひチャンネル登録をお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとっても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。